Hello, shwmae. I'm Peter Thomas, Head of AI in the Centre for Digital Public Services, and I want to quickly tell you about the AI Landscape Survey, why it matters and how you can help. The AI Landscape Survey is a national survey we've developed with the Welsh Government's new Office for AI. It's designed to give us a truly up-to-date picture of how AI is being explored, tested, or used across Welsh public services. This is important right now because there's incredible work happening across Wales, from AI scribes in clinical settings to chatbots improving access to services and innovative local authority pilots. But we don't have a clear national view of it. By collecting these examples in one place, we can spot gaps, reduce duplication, highlight opportunities to collaborate, and create a solid foundation for future support, investment, and policy. Everything you share will feed directly into the AI baseline report, a key element for the AI plan for Wales and September 2025's written statement on artificial intelligence and digital transformation made by Rebecca Evans MS, Cabinet Secretary for Economy, Energy and Planning. Who should fill it in? Anyone in Welsh Public Services who's exploring or using AI, whether you're planning a project, testing a tool, offering training, running a pilot, or even you're fully deployed. We want to hear from you. And if you have more than one example, even better, you can submit multiple entries. Please do not assume that we already know about your usage, whether it's a brand new initiative or something that's already been published and discussed before. We need to put everything into the survey so we have a single complete picture of AI usage across the Welsh public sector. We've already had some brilliant early submissions, from health boards trialling AI transcription tools, improving online social care services, to councils building homegrown AI solutions. Your contribution will help us build the full picture. So, here's the call to action. Please take 30 to 60 minutes to complete the AI Landscape Survey. If you can, share it with colleagues too. Together, we can build the national understanding we need to help Wales make the most of AI. The link will be in this post, or you can use the QR code on screen to complete the survey. Diolch yn fawr.